What's the meaning of avowal? Avowal. Avowal.
Avowal. Avowal. Avowal refers to a statement or declaration of something that is true or factual. It is an open and honest admission of a belief, feeling, or action. Avowal can also refer to the act of acknowledging or accepting responsibility for one's actions or beliefs. In essence, avowal is an expression of candidness and honesty in communication. It can be seen as a way of building trust and credibility with others, as well as promoting transparency and authenticity in personal interactions. Overall, avowal is a powerful tool for effective communication and fostering meaningful relationships.